Example of Hodger's approximation method. Find the initial basic feasible solution of the following transportation problem. Here transportation problem is given. First we find total capacity and total requirement. Here total capacity equals to 7 plus 9 plus 18 equals to 34, and total requirement 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 14 equals to 34. Here total capacity equals to total requirement, so the transportation problem is balanced transportation problem. In the Hodger's approximation method, first we have to find out the difference between the smallest cost and the second smallest cost for each row and for each column. For row we write difference here, and for column difference is written here. So for first row smallest cost is 10 and second smallest cost is 19. So their difference 19 minus 10 equals to 9. For second row smallest cost is 30 and second smallest cost is 40. So their difference is 10. For third row smallest cost is 8 and second smallest cost is 20. So their difference is 12. Now column difference. For first column smallest cost is 19 and second smallest cost is 40. So their difference is 21. Here smallest cost is 8 and second smallest cost is 30. So their difference is 22. Here smallest cost is 40 and second smallest cost is 50. So their difference is 10. Here also smallest cost is 10 and second smallest cost is 20. So their difference is 10. Now select the maximum difference among row and column difference. So here maximum difference is 22, which lies in column W2, with minimum cost is 8. So first allocation is at cost 8. So for 8 capacity is 18 and requirement is 8. So minimum of capacity and requirement is 8. So we allocate 8 here. So here 8 minus 8 0 and 18 minus 8 10. Here requirement is satisfied, so we cancel this row. So maximum difference is 22, lies in column W2 with minimum cost 8. Here we allocate 8 units in the cell 3 2. Here requirement is satisfied, so we cross out column W2. Now the reduced transportation problem is, this is our reduced transportation table. Now we repeat the procedure. For first row difference is 10 and 19. Smallest cost is 10 and second smallest cost is 19. So their difference is 9. For the second row smallest cost is 40 and second smallest cost is 60. So their difference is 20. Smallest cost is 20, second smallest cost is 40. So their difference is 20. Now for column smallest cost is 19 and second smallest cost is 40. So their difference is 21. So for second row smallest cost is 40 and second smallest cost is 50. So their difference is 10. Smallest cost is 10, second smallest cost is 20. So their difference is 10. Now select the maximum difference. Here maximum difference is 21, which lies in column W1 with minimum cost 19. So we allocation is at cost 19. For 19 capacity is 7 and requirement is 5. So the minimum of capacity and requirement is 5. So we allocate 5 here. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 5 2. Here requirement is satisfied, so we cross out column W1. Now the reduced transportation problem is, so for first row difference, smallest cost is 10 and second smallest cost is 50, so their difference is 40. Here smallest cost is 40, second smallest cost is 60, so their difference is 20. Smallest cost is 20, second smallest cost is 70, so their difference is 50. For column small 40 50, so their difference is 10. Here smallest cost 10, second smallest cost 20, so their difference is 10. Now maximum difference is 50, which lies in row F3 with minimum cost 20. For 20 capacity is 10 and requirement is 14, so we allocate 10 here. 10 minus 10 0, and here 4. Here capacity satisfied, so we cross out this row. The reduced transportation table. So for first row, smallest cost is 10 and second smallest cost is 50, so their difference is 40. Here 40 60, so their difference is 20. Here 50 40, so their difference is 10. 10 60, so their difference is 50. Maximum difference is 50, which lies in column W4 with minimum cost 10. For 10 capacity is 2 and requirement is 4, so minimum is 2, so we allocate 2. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 2 2. Here capacity satisfied, so we cross out this row. So reduce transportation table. Here for row, smallest cost is 40 and second smallest cost is 60, so their difference is 20. Here only, here we cannot find the column difference, so maximum difference is 20, which lies in the column F2 with minimum cost 40. For 40 capacity is 9 and requirement is 7, so smallest is 7, so we allocate 7 here. 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 7 2, so we cross out this column. Here maximum difference is 20, which lies in the row F2 with minimum cost 40, so we allocate 7 units in the cell 1 1 1 and 2 units here 2 2, so we allocate here 2 units in the cell 1 2. So now all requirement and capacity are satisfied. Here 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, so we cross out this row and this column. So all the above allocations that we have done is combined in the single transportation table. So we write here the allocations. Here number of allocations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 allocations. Now we find out the total transportation cost. So total transportation cost 5 into 19 plus 2 into 10 plus 7 into 40, 2 into 60 plus 8 into 8 plus 10 into 20. So rupees 779. So the total transportation cost is rupees 779.